Have you faced an issue with mobile data or cellular data not working on Call of Duty game? If your answer is yes, don't worry. Here's the advanced troubleshooting guide on how to solve this cellular data not working problem on the Call of Duty game. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing that, ensure that you have usable megabytes and turn on the data connection. Otherwise, check this easy solution below. Solution 1. Reset your APN for mobile data. Open Settings, tap Mobile or Cellular Data, tap Mobile Network, tap Reset again. After that, tap Network Selection. Turn this off. Wait for some time. Select your SIM card. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 1. Turn on and then turn off airplane mode. Slide down, turn on airplane mode, and wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back off. After that, check if your internet issue is fixed or not. Solution 2. Turn off the low data mode. Open Settings, tap on Cellular Data. After that, tap on the Cellular Data option, and ensure that you've turned off the low data mode. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not, and then try our next solution. Solution 3. Offload the Call of Duty app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Call of Duty app, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. So, this is how you can solve the cellular data not working problem on Call of Duty. If you have any kind of questions, then please write them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.